Good afternoon, everybody. How are you? How are you, my lovely? So, okay, should we start? Okay, keep quiet, no nice. So, before going to the main topic, today I will teach you effective way of learning. How important is how important is this? You can't imagine. Before learning or before doing something, we learn the way, we learn the skill of learning first. Okay, got it? So here topic is effective way of learning. So what are the ways, what ways we should adopt to learn something before learning something? Okay, whenever we learn something, we should ask some questions to ourselves first, then we should proceed further, then we should do something next. So when we talk about effective way of learning, something comes in our mind. We have to ask some question, we should ask some questions to ourselves first. So what would be the questions? So first of all, first question that should come in our mind is what we should do, or what we should learn, or what we should read. Okay, first question is what we should do or learn. First question that should come in our mind is what we should do or learn. When we ask these questions to ourselves, our vision would be broader, our sense of perceptions would be broader. So first questions, what we should do or learn. Next question is why we should do. Next question that should come in our mind, what sorry so next question that should come in our mind, why we should do or learn this. Whatever we want to learn, whatever we want to do, whatever we want to read, what we should do first, we should ask these questions. What we should do or learn, why we should do or learn, and the next question that should come in our mind is how. Okay, so these three questions are must, that should come in our mind whenever we gonna study, we gonna do something, we gonna learn some skill. These questions should come in our mind. If we prepare our mind, these three questions should come in our mind. It will help us a lot. It will give us an idea, it will give us a perceptions of learning some, give us a clarity regarding whatever we're gonna start. If we ask these questions to ourselves before doing something, I assure you, your way of thinking, your perception would be totally changed. You look into the thing differently. Suppose when we try to find the answer of this, it will be more visible to us. So these are the three steps or three questions we should ask ourselves before doing or before learning something. I will tell you some quotation regarding this. One of the great men said, who is a well-known educationalist, who said that reading without making a note, reading without making a note is just like a showering on a flat surface. What he said, reading without making a note is just like a showering on a flat surface. Got it? Said a teacher, one of the great men said, the teacher who taught, who wanna teach to his student without inspiring the desire of learning to his or her student is just like a hammering on a cold iron. What a beautifully say. A great teacher said that the teacher who want to teach his or her student, the teacher who want to teach his or her student without inspiring the desire of learning, is just like a, it will help us a lot, like it will give us more clarity and confidence regarding whatever skill or whatever we want to do. When we try to ask the questions, when we try to find the answer of these questions, things will be more visible to us. We look into it confidently. We will set a clear goal and maintain consistency. So that's why effective way of learning is important whenever we want to learn something. Thank you.